what's wrong with me, man? Oh, God. Wait a minute. Let me get myself together. Somebody need to call me an ambulance. I don't feel right, okay? I done did too much. I don't wanna feel like this no more.
Yesterday, I had a long talk with God.
What'd he say?
You only call when time's hard. Road of life you walking, that's why you keep on falling. And we need to talk more often. Anyways, you okay? You call my name kinda loud. Put that squad and that drink down. You in trouble or you need something, or you ain't got no money. Well, how come you ain't come see me this Sunday? Your eyes red, you ain't had no sleep. You got a hard head, told you stay out the street. Then you call me for one more favor. You a gangster? How come you ain't called Satan every time he left you? And I had to come and help you, and I'm always at your rescue. I need to make you come home. You blind thinking I can't see, just cause you can't see me. You heard from the Reverend? I left him in charge. I see he keep on buying new cars. Hold on, I got another call. Somebody need my attention. Don't hang up, I'll only be a minute.
Is this the operator? I'm trying to talk to my father. Could you call in? I know it's been a while, but I'm feeling kinda down. I need it right now. Is this the operator? I'm trying to talk to my father. Just could you call in? I know it's been a while, but I'm feeling kinda down. I need it right now.
Thought you had forgot about me.
Cause you ain't got no faith. Sometimes you gotta wait. You ever called me and I didn't come? When they was gonna lock you up? Or when they had you in the trunk? When your son got sick? Or when you had to pay your rent? What about that car accident? You ain't never said thanks, except when you felt that hot heat from the flame off the thing and got away. I wonder if you using me. I'm starting to lose my patience. Keep going the same places and doing the same things, and doing things the wrong way. Then I give you a brain, you gon' use it or abuse it, but you gon' lose it being foolish. What is you doing? Thinking it's fun? Out there chasing them drugs and playing with guns. You better clean your act up. Yeah, you saying it ain't that rough. What you keep calling me back for? Get somewhere and sit down. You still my child. I'ma see what I can do for now.
Is this the operator? I'm trying to talk to my father. Could you call in? I know it's been a while, but I'm feeling kinda down. I need it right now. Is this the operator? I'm trying to talk to my father. Just could you call in? I know it's been a while, but I'm feeling kinda down. I need it right now.
Alright, now I lay me down and sleep. You know I need some. Could you watch over my son and these boys on the corner, selling my people that poison? I know they made some bad choices. These addicts need help, and them little girls out there selling themselves who think don't nobody care. Thanks for what I ate today. If I should die before I wake, forgive me for all of my mistakes.
Is this the operator? I'm trying to talk to my father. Could you call in? I know it's been a while, but I'm feeling kinda down. I need it right now. Is this the operator? I'm trying to talk to my father. Just could you call in? I know it's been a while, but I'm feeling kinda down. I need it right now.
Hey, y'all think I played on it? One night I really was feeling like that. I had did too much. I just sat down and